We started our tour of Tunis from Cathedral of Saint Vincent de Paul. The cathedral is dedicated to Saint Vincent de Paul, patron saint of charity. The church was opened on Christmas in 1897. The reinforced concrete towers were completed in 1910. Bab el-Bahr, also known as Porte de France, is a city gate in Tunis. It marks the separation between the Medina of Tunis and the modern city. The Medina of Tunis is UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Medina contains some 700 monuments including palaces, mosques and madrasas and fountains dating from Almohad and Hafsid periods. Founded in 698 around the original core of Zitouna Mosque, the Medina of Tunis developed throughout the Middle Ages. The main axis was between the mosque and the center of the government to the west in Kasbah. To the east, the same main road extended to Bab el-Bahr. Expansions to the north and south divided the main Medina into two suburbs, north Bab Suika and south Bab al-Jazira. Before the Almohad Caliphate, other cities such as Mahdia and Kairoun had served as capitals. Under Almohad rule, Tunis became the capital of Africa, and under the Hafsid period, it developed into a religious, intellectual, and economic center. It was during the Hafsid period that the Medina as we now know it took its essential form. It gradually acquired a number of buildings and monuments combining the styles of Africa, Andalusian and Oriental influences, but also borrowing some of the columns and capitals of Roman and Byzantine monuments. The Turbat al Bay is a Tunisian royal mausoleum in the southwest of the Medina of Tunis. It is the last resting place of most of the Husseinid dynasty rulers of Tunisia. The building, constructed in the reign of Ali ibn Hussein, is the largest funerary monument in Tunis. Al Zaytuna Mosque, literally meaning the Mosque of Olive, is the major mosque at the center of Medina of Tunis. The mosque is the oldest in the city and covers an area of 5,000 square meters with 9 entrances. It was founded at the end of the 7th century or in the early 8th century, but its current architectural form dates from the reconstruction in the 9th century. The mosque hosted one of the first and greatest universities in the history of Islam. Many Muslim scholars graduated from Al Zaytuna Mosque for over 1,000 years. Ibn Arfa, a major Maliki scholar, Al Maziri, the great traditionalist and the jurist, and Abu al Qasim, a famous Tunisian poet, all taught there, among others.